In this video, I will show you how to allow apps from unknown sources on your Xiaomi TV box. Now, over here, I have the Xiaomi TV Box S 2nd Gen with Google TV currently connected to my TV over here. But even if you have the Xiaomi TV Box with an Android TV, by the end of this video, you should be able to allow the installation of apps from unknown sources into any Xiaomi TV box you have. And just so you know, allowing apps from unknown sources actually enables you to be able to install third-party apps and APK from other sources into your Xiaomi TV box without any restriction from the TV. And to do this, basically you want to head over to the settings icon, usually at the top right corner of your Xiaomi TV box. So whichever Xiaomi TV box you have, just head over to the settings icon, go ahead and click on the settings icon. And from here, you just want to scroll down until you get to apps over here. Go ahead and select apps and then scroll down again until you get to security and restrictions over here. Click on it and you should see the unknown sources option over here. Go ahead and select it. And from here, you want to go ahead and enable the installation of apps from unknown sources for any of the apps you usually use to download and install third-party apps into your Xiaomi TV box. Now, take for instance, the downloader app is one of the most popular app that is used for downloading third-party apps into Android TV boxes and Android smart TVs. So you want to go ahead and turn on this feature for the downloader app. And now that this is enabled for the downloader app, you can now go ahead and download and install third-party app using the downloader app on your Xiaomi TV box, and you won't get any restriction. So I can go ahead and just open up the downloader app now on my Xiaomi TV box and then proceed to enter my downloader code, or just use the browser tab over here to search for any app APK I want inside of my Xiaomi TV box and then just install it from the Xiaomi TV box without any issue. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.